Hey everyone, doing a video today on what is in my fridge. And hopefully you guys can find some alternative things to replace what you currently have in your fridge. Replace your kids' sandwiches with wraps, high fiber, or replace your tacos with these wraps. It's got some high fiber in it, 18 grams of fiber, protein, and 100 calories. This is what I usually make my son for lunch for school. This is an amazing alternative to milk. It is pea protein based, no sugars, and lots of amazing ingredients. 8 grams of protein per 1 cup. I highly recommend it. Now let's talk about soda. You know, everyone loves their soda. This is called Zevia. No sugar, calorie free. They have many different kinds. And this is what I get my kids. Can we just talk about mayonnaise for those who like mayonnaise? So, did you know that mayonnaise has soy in it? This is a great alternative if you want a healthier version of mayonnaise. I love it. All right, let's dive down into the difference between these two drinks. So, sparkling ice. Yes, it has 0 sugar, but it has an ingredient called sucralose in it, which actually affects your gut health. So, do not recommend that. So what I get my son now is these Buys. And it's made with stevia, electrolytes in it. I put this in his lunch. They also have many different flavors. So, all right. I don't know if any of you guys have seen this line. It's called Beyond Meat. I love it. It is pea plant protein based. These are their burgers. So good. You have Beyond Steak. These are all plant-based. They actually have I think like a crumble that resembles taco meat as well. These chicken tenders are amazing. Amazing. They have like chicken nuggets, but the chicken tenders is spot on. And then for those who like breakfast sausages, once again, it's all plant-based and delicious.